So y'all gonna subscribe, or you know you could put a little stank on that little subscribe button or whatnot. You know what I'm saying? Hey loves, welcome to my YouTube channel at MUA. I'm going to be showing you guys this amazing and outstanding eyeshadow look. And I also have a picture right here if you want to take a closer look. Just make sure you get this amazing soft glam Anastasia makeup palette. So lavish, like look at that. And just follow along with me. So first I'm going to go in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Soft Glam Makeup Palette and use Dusty Rose all over my lid as a transition color too. And let's go and get that soft blending brush. Then I'm going to go in with a even smaller blending brush and apply burnt orange in smaller circles.
Go ahead and massage that crustacean ass looking motherfucker orange up in that eyelid.
And drag that burnt orange a little bit towards the inner corner of my eye. Next, I'm going to use mulberry.
Now go ahead and put that cherry pie up in there, motherfucker, like that.
Towards the end, because we want to make sure that's really saturated and it stands out. Next, I'm going to use rose pink and apply it on the base of my lid.
Let's just put up on there, like, even if it tickles your soul just a little bit.
And just to make the center pop, I'm going to be using glistening. This right here is the eyeliner called Sex Kitten by Tarte.
Girl, you better put that Thundercat pussy up on that goddamn eyelid. Oh, sugar now. There you go. That's what I'm working with.
Last but not least, we are going to be using tempera on the brow bone.
You better lay it down on that brow bone like it's yours. You need to go ahead and massage that mascara up in them eyelash strands.
Alright loves, this is the final outcome to my makeup tutorial on this Anastasia Beverly Hills eyeshadow palette. Make sure you go and subscribe, like, and share to your friends and family that might like this video also.